Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to do the last topic of dispersion chapter, measures of dispersion. The last topic, that is standard deviation. Very easy topic, very important topic. Okay, so from this topic each and every year they are asking a one question that is very important, the word problem question. Okay, this is confirmed, word problem question is 100 not 200% confirmed that they will ask. वो सर पूछेगा तो बताइए बताइए जल्दी बताइए, रुको जरा सब्र करो. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will write its formula, and we know only we are going to study about ungrouped, no grouped, nothing. Okay, so fine, the question is, sorry, for the ungrouped, first of all what we will write, we will write the formula. Guys, see, the formula standard deviation equals, see, we have a two formula, but use this formula. One formula is enough. Summation of x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Okay, yes. So what is this? What we know, sir? You have written, you have to tell. Okay, see, what is this? This is, they will give the observations, right? We know this is ungrouped, they will give the observations. So this is ungrouped and they will give the observations. So first of all, the first step is we'll find the x bar. We will find the x bar. Your x is in the bar. X bar is what? Yes, x bar is nothing but a mean. X bar is what? Yes, x bar is a mean. So first of all, we will find the x bar. We know how to find the x bar. Sum of all the observation divided by total number of observations. So this is x bar whole square. Whatever you will get the x bar means mean value, that whole square. Okay. N is what? Obviously total number of observation. Now summation of x square, guys, here the maximum student, what they will do mistake means x value means they will give the observations, right? Suppose they will give the observations, so what the student will do, the student will add these observations, summation of x, like 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 8, 25 plus 1, 26. They will do summation of x is 26. This is summation of x square. They will do chalo ho gaya, done, 26 square. No, this is wrong. This is wrong because it said summation of x square. X square summation. It's not a summation of x whole square. Okay, it is not a summation of x whole square. It is a summation of x square, means x they will give, not yours, means they will give the x means the observations, they will give the observations. For that observations you have to find the x square, like 2 square is 4, it's 16, 5, 25, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64 and 1 is 1. Okay, this is a x square. Then you will add this, all this summation of x square, you have to write it here. Remember the thing, guys, this summation of x square, this is what? This is a summation of x square, not the summation of x whole square. So many students, what they will do, they will do is they will find whatever they will give the x. Okay, in the question whatever they will give the observation, they will find the summation of x. Whatever they will get the value of summation of x, they will do whole square. So it's not like a summation of x whole square. It is summation of x square, means x is given. For that x we have to find the x square and that summation. So summation of x square. Only one formula we know. Then after that what we know? Yes, coefficient. Guys, very important thing here is very important thing. Wait a minute. Okay, so the important thing here is, yeah, this we get to know the standard deviation formula. Now next is yes. Yeah, I see it is a two thing. Either they will say coefficient of standard deviation, or they will say the coefficient of variation. Both is for standard deviation only. Okay, means sometimes they will say find the coefficient of standard deviation, or sometimes they will say find the coefficient of variation. So student don't know this variation, if they will ask in the examination. Sir, question is out of syllabus. No, 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 no. Question they will never ask out of syllabus. So coefficient of standard deviation. Sometimes they will say coefficient of standard deviation, or coefficient of standard deviation is also called as coefficient of variation. The formula is what? Yes. Formula is this. What we got, the standard deviation divided by mean, x bar into 100%. Okay, and guys, sometime they will tell you to find the variance. Variance is what? Yes, standard deviation whole square is variance. Class finish. Okay, now copy it down. Now we'll go for solving the problems, not your life problems. This is standard deviation problems. X square by n minus x bar square. Very good. Very good. Now we'll write the heading problems. प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम है, सॉल्यूशन का पता नहीं. सॉल्यूशन जब मिला तो साला प्रॉब्लम क्या था पता नहीं. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is the coefficient of what is the coefficient of variation? What is the coefficient of variation for the following observations? What is the coefficient of variation for the following observations? Yes, coefficient of variation is what? Yes, coefficient of variation means coefficient of standard deviation. So 5, 9, 3, 10, 4, 7. That's it guys. So first of all, what we will find? Yes, first of all we will find the x bar. X bar means sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. So if you are good in maths, don't write all 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 10 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 6. Then again you will write 5 plus 9 plus 3, how much then divided by 6. It will take an unnecessary time. You have your friend calculator, use it. So sum of observation 5 plus 9, next for this 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 10, waste of time. See 5 plus 9, 14. See wherever it is the easy calculation, easy steps you can do directly, please do it. It will save your time. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Plus 10, 27. Plus 4, 31. Plus 7, 38. 38 divided by 6. Now you can do 38 divided by 6 directly. 6.33. X bar is 6.33. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to find summation of x square. Right? Summation of x square means x square summation we have to do. So this all is what? This all is x. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. So summation of x square means like this. This is 5. So 5 square 25 plus 9 square 81 plus See, these are the very easy square. Don't do 5 square, then 25. So waste of time. So little bit you have to improve the knowledge in mathematics for the square, for the cubes, at least till 10. So it will become very easy. So x square. So x value it's square. Then x value it's square. Then x value it's square. Then summation. That is the summation of x square. So 5 square is 25. Plus 9 square is 81. Plus 3 square is 9. Plus 10 square is 100. Plus 4 square is 16. Plus 7 square is 49. Okay, summation of x square is 280. That is it. 2 steps we got the values, 2 values. N is 6. We'll find the standard deviation. The standard deviation is square root of, say, summation of x square by n minus x bar whole square. So this we can do directly. Summation of x square is 280. 280 divided by n is 6. 280 divided by 6 is 46.66. 46.66 minus, we'll do the x bar square. So x bar is 6.33 into 6.33. 40.06. 40.06, whatever you will get is square root. So that is the standard deviation. 46.66 minus 40.06, whatever you will get is square root. 2.56. Standard deviation is 2.56. They said find the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is nothing but, yes, coefficient of standard deviation. So coefficient is what? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. The standard deviation is 2.56 divided by mean is 6.33. Whatever you will get, multiply with 100. 40.45%. That's it. Very easy guys, very easy. Now next question, question number 2. Question number 2. What is the coefficient of variation? What is the coefficient of variation? What is the coefficient of variation of the following numbers? Of the following numbers. What is the coefficient of variation of the following numbers? 53, 52, 51. Sorry, it's 61. Sorry. 53, 52, 53, 52, 61, 60, 64. Right? Arranging and all, it will only it will happen in, yes, median. And the properties of median, like, see, properties of median are 3: percentile, decile and quartile. So only in these 3. Okay, what is the coefficient of variation? So coefficient of variation, first of all we have to find the x bar. Right, yes, x bar means, here you can use 53 plus 52 plus 61 plus 60 plus 64. 290 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 290 divided by 5. Yes, x bar is 58. See, directly you will get. Then summation of x square. Here you have to write 53 square 2809 plus 52 square 2704 plus 61 square 3721 plus 60 square, this is easy, 3600 plus 64 square 4096. Right? See the x square. We did the x square, then we will do the summation of x square. 2809 plus 2704 plus 3721 plus 3600 plus 4096, so 16,930. And what is n? N is 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. Now we'll find the sum standard deviation. Standard deviation is summation of x square divided by n. 16,930 divided by 5. We'll get 3386 minus x bar 58. 58 square because x bar, yes. So 3364. So 3386 minus 3364. 22 square root is 4.69. Yes, standard deviation is 4.69. Now next is coefficient. Coefficient what here? Yes, standard deviation 4.69 divided by mean 58. Whatever you will get, multiply with 100. 8.09. 8.09 percentage or like that only, whatever it is the correct answer. Okay, yeah, okay, just a minute. Okay, yeah, okay, fine. I hope you understand this concept, right? It's a very easy concept. Yes sir, we understand sir. What we have to do, just standard deviation, you have to use this formula. First is x bar, so you'll find the x bar. We know how to find the x bar. Sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation, we'll get the x bar. After that we have to find the summation of x square, means x value is given, we have to do the square of that x square, then that summation, like how we did it here. So these are the x value, we did the square, so x square, then we have did the summation, so that is called summation of x square, and n. Directly substitute the values, we will get the answer. Okay, now next is remember this thing. This is very rare they will ask, but remember, if they will say summation, sorry, standard deviation of first n, standard deviation of first n natural numbers, yeah, standard deviation of first n natural numbers, the formula is n square minus 1 by 12 square root. Just as example, if they will say find the standard deviation of first n natural number, first 10 natural numbers. Suppose they will say find the standard deviation of first 10 natural numbers. So standard deviation is square root of n square minus 1. So n is what? Yes, n is the number, that is 10. So 10 square is what? 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 divided by 12, whatever you will get is square root 2.87 directly. That's it. No need of writing a step and all. Directly you will substitute the values, you will substitute the formula, you will get the answer. And that is Ashte. Now we'll come for solving the sums. Summers. Oh, nice. Sunflower. Okay, see this theory and all you should not have to leave because very important theory. Yes, this question number we have to do. Following are the height of 5 children, find the standard deviation. So first of all, what we will find? Yes, first of all we will find the x bar. So only we have to find the standard deviation. So x bar 132 plus 139 plus 138 plus 144 plus 137, whatever we will get divided by 1 2 3 4 5 138. We got the question number is 2. Then this take the question number as 3. This is what question number 4. So x bar we got 138. Now we have to do the summation of x square. Uri power 132 139. So 132 whole square, because summation of x square. So we'll do the x square. 139. So 139 into 139, 19,321 plus, then we will do 138 into 138, it is 19,044 plus 144 into 144, 20,736. 20,736 plus last is 137 into 137, 18,769. So summation of x square is, we will add all 17,424 plus 19,321 plus 19,044 with baba plus 20,736 plus 18,769. तरीके अरे बाप सर नहीं होगा सर 95,290. पागल वाले यार. And n is how much? 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll find the standard deviation summation of x square 95,294 divided by n. So we get 23823.5 minus 138 x bar is square. So 138 into 138, 19,044. The standard deviation is, we will do 23,823.5 minus 19,044, whatever you will get square root of that, 69 point. कुछ तो गड़बड़ कर दिया. नहीं करना माँ कसम इतना बड़ा x bar square. Okay, 132 into 132, 17,424. I think so. I did hear some mistake. 95,294 divided by 5. अरे यार सर 95,294 summation of x square. Yeah, summation of x square divided by n. So divided by 5. 9. Okay, yeah. Sorry, guys. This is 19,058.8 minus 19044, whatever you get, 3.84. See, this type of calculation mistake you should not have to do. This is just I was reminding you, like you can do this type of calculation mistakes. Okay. Uh, so grouped, no guys. Grouped until you will find the answer. The examiner will say, "Beta, thank you. Time is up." Muy. Imrati muy. Okay, so this also is not there. Standard deviation of combined set. So standard deviation of combined set is not there. Okay, sir. Now, guys, we will come for the very important question. This guys, question number 14. Then question number 14, 15. 16 we will not do, it's like grouped. 14, 15, 18, 19. 14, 15, 18, 19. These four. Out of these four, one question 100, not 200%. Sorry, they will ask. Not the 100, it's a 200% they will ask. 200. Okay, now we'll see 14th one. Yeah, guys, very important. Just you have to understand the concept and you have to use your small brain. Ashte. Now next, question number 5. Very easy. See what they have given: mean and standard deviation of 8 observations. 8 observations. So n is equals to 8. So they are talking mean and standard deviation. So mean and standard deviation of 8 observations was found to be 4.7 and 0.8. So mean is what? 4.7. Standard deviation is 0.8. Mean is what? Mean is 4.7. Standard deviation is 0.8. Later it was found that one of the observation was wrongly taken as 3.6. One of the observation was wrongly taken as 3.6, which was actually 6.3. With this correctness, find the actual mean and standard deviation. Plus, guys, this type of question is very important, in which they will already give the observation, number of observations, and in which already they will give the mean and standard deviation. So this is the data which they will already given. From this they will say that some values have wrongly taken, or some value has mismatched, or some value got misplaced, or some value got left, we have to add. Anything they will say. Okay, they will say either like this: later it was found that one of the observation was wrongly taken. They can say one of the observation, or they can say two of the observation were wrongly taken, or otherwise they can say that one of the observation is left out, so we are adding this observation. So this type of question, the process remains same, guys. The process remains same. What is the process like? After that they will say find the new, see here, find the actual mean and standard deviation. Find the actual mean and standard deviation means this mean and standard deviation, what is given, that is, yes, that is wrong. So guys, what we have to do, very simple thing. This standard deviation and mean is a wrong. W means wrong. This standard deviation is wrong and this mean is wrong. Why? Because later they have said that they have taken a wrong value. Later it was found that one of the observation was wrongly taken. So wrong value is what? WV is wrong value is 3.6, which was actually 6.3. So correct value is 6.3. Now they said find the actual mean and standard deviation, means now we have to find the correct mean and correct standard deviation. So guys, it's a very simple thing. First find all the wrong values. Okay, from wrong values we will minus the what is the wrong value is given, like minus 3.6, because whatever we will get the wrong value, from that we will remove the wrong values minus 3.6, right? And then we will add the correct value plus 6.3. That's it. What we have to do? Yes, we have to do, first of all, we will find the wrong values. What we will find? Yes, we will find the wrong values. In this wrong values, we will remove the wrong value like minus 3.6. And then we will add the correct value plus 6.3. Then you will get the final answer. Ashte. So first of all, see guys, they said find the correct mean. Actual mean means correct mean. Correct mean. What is the formula of correct mean? Yes, correct. We will find the sum of observation, that is correct, divided by correct number of observation. So everything we have to find the correct, then we will substitute, we will get the correct mean. Then same we have to do for the standard deviation, right? Standard for correct standard deviation, what we have to do? Yes, first of all we have to find the correct summation of x square, then correct of like total number of observation, and then correct x bar whole square. Okay, so how we will find the correct? Yes, first we will find the wrong values. From the wrong values we will minus 3.6, then we will add 6.3. That's it. Ashte. Okay, so guys, first of all we have to find this summation, because see, they have removed, this is the wrong value, so 3.6 we will take and we will add in place of that correct value, right? So what is the effect for number of observation? Yes, number of observation will remain same for both. So correct number of observation is also 8, right? Correct number of observation is also 8. Now we have to find this correct sum of all the observation. So for finding correct sum of all the observation, what we will find? Yes, first of all we will find the wrong sum of all the observation. From wrong sum of all the observation we will minus 3.6 and we will add 6.3. So see, we will take the wrong mean. Wrong mean is what? Yes, we will get the wrong sum of all the observation and wrong n. So this is 4.7 equals wrong sum of all the observation divided by n is 8. So it will go there, it will get multiply. So sum of all the observation wrong is 4.7 into 8, 37.6. So see, what is this 37.6? Yes, from the wrong mean, see, we know the value of wrong mean which is already given. We know the wrong n which is already 8. Now we have here, from here we will find what we will find. Yes, from here we will find the wrong sum of all the observation. So like this only I am saying, first of all we have to find the wrong sum of all the observation. After that what we will do? After, for finding the correct sum of all the observation, from this wrong we will minus this. What is the wrong value? Yes, we will minus 3.6 and in place of that we will add the correct value. Correct value is 6.3. That's it. We have to do every time, we have to do the same thing. We have to check like we have to find the correct mean. So for finding the correct mean we want this correct sum of all the observation and correct total number of observation. So total number of observation was 8. So once we will remove one value it will become 7, then again in place of that we will add the correct value. So total number of observation remains 8 only. Now we have to find this correct sum of all the observation. So for finding the correct sum of all the observation, what we will do? Yes, first of all we will find the wrong sum of all the observation. So first of all we will find the wrong sum of all the observation. From that we will minus this wrong value and then we will add the correct value. That's it. So how we will get the wrong sum of all the observation? Every time, because mean is wrong, mean is given, wrong n is given. From here we will substitute, we will get the wrong sum of all the observation. So that's it. Wrong minus, we will remove the wrong value and then we will add the correct value. So like this we will get the, every time guys, every time we will get like this only, correct sum of all the observation. 37.6 minus 3.6 plus 6.3, 40.3. Yeah, So sum correct sum of all the observation is 40.3. From here we will get the correct mean, right? From here we will get the correct mean. Correct mean is what? Yes, correct sum of all the observation divided by correct total number of observation. So sum of all the observation is 40.3 divided by number of observation will be the same 8. 40.3 divided by 8, 5.03. That's it. We got the correct sum of observation. Sorry, we got the correct mean or actual mean 5.03. Now what we have to find? Yes, now we have to find the correct standard deviation. So remember the thing, for correct standard deviation we have a correct, right, number of observation, we have a correct number of observation, that is n. We have a correct x bar, that is 5.03, but we don't have correct sum of x square, right? We don't have a correct sum of x square. So what we will do? Yes, first of all we will find the wrong sum of x square, right? First of all we will find the wrong sum of x square. From that we will minus the wrong value, then we will add the correct value. So how we will get that? We will take the, what we have to find? We have to find the wrong sum of x square. So we will take the wrong standard deviation value. See here we have to find the wrong sum of all the observations. So we took the wrong mean. So for finding the wrong value, we will take the wrong value. So summation of x square, that is wrong, divided by n, wrong minus wrong x bar whole square. See, if you are finding the wrong, we will take all the wrong values. Don't take the correct value in finding the wrong. So standard deviation, wrong standard deviation is 0.8. 0.8 equals square root of, we don't know this value, summation of x square wrong divided by n is 8 minus wrong x bar. Wrong x bar is 4.7. So 4.7 whole square. 22.09. So guys, it's a very simple thing. What we have to find? We have to find this. So what we will do? Yes, we'll send the square root to that side. See, if the square root will go that side, what will happen? Yes, this will become square and this side will remain same. So what we will do? We'll do the square. 0.8 into 0.8. You will get 0.64. Okay. For this we will get 0.64. Then minus, right, minus 22.09 will go that side. So it will become plus 22.09 equal summation of this wrong x square by 8. Guys, see, many students, what they will do? They will do mistake is they will send the 8 this side. First they will multiply with 8, then we will add with 22.09. No, it will become wrong. Okay, first what we have to do? Yes, first we have to send this minus to this side. It will become plus. Then after that, whatever you will get the value, then we will send the 8 that side, so it will get multiply. So 0.64 plus 22.09, you will get 22.73. Now this 8 will go that side, so will become multiply with 8 is summation of w, 181.84. So summation of x square, the wrong value is 181.84. So from here what we will do? Yes, we have to find the correct x square. So we'll take the wrong value. From minus we will do the, what is the wrong? 3.6. But see, this is the x square, so we'll do 3.6 whole square, and then we will add the correct value 6.3 whole square. Why? Because this is the x square. Now we'll do 181.84 minus 3.6 into 3.6, 12.96 plus 6.3 into 6.3, 39.69. Now we will add 181.84 minus 12.96 plus 39.69. You will get 200. You will get the correct summation of x square is 208.57. So what we have to find? Yes, we'll find the correct standard deviation. So correct standard deviation is, yes, we'll use this formula. Correct summation of x square by correct number of observation minus this. So correct standard deviation is this. Correct summation of x square is 208.57 divided by correct n is remain 8 only. We'll get 26.07 minus whole square of correct mean. Correct mean is 5.03. 5.03 into 5.03. You will get 25.30. How much you will get? 25.30. So we'll do 26.07 minus 25.30. Whatever you will get, do the square root. So the correct standard deviation is 0.877. That is the answer. Yes. Yeah. So this is the correct mean and this is the correct standard deviation. So guys, pause this video, read the question again, understand the concept, understand the question, then you move on. Very important. Each and every year they are asking. Okay, 110% they will ask. Not 110%, 200% that they will ask. Not 200%. How much percentage you want, you can take. They will ask that much percentage. Okay. Now we will go for next question. Question number what? 4. Question number 6. Yeah. So they have given the standard deviation of given set of observation is this. The standard deviation of a given set of observation is this. Standard deviation is this. Okay. And the mean. Standard deviation is this and the mean is this much. Okay, x bar is 83.8. Find the coefficient. Oh, coefficient of variation. So guys, what is the coefficient of variation? Yes, coefficient of variation is nothing but coefficient of standard deviation. That formula is standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. The standard deviation is 2.336 divided by x bar is 83.8. Whatever you will get, multiply with 100. So 2.78. Yeah, that's it. Very easy. So this is the question number 6. Question number 6 done. Now we'll see the last 2 questions. See, not much more guys, not much more questions are there. From these questions only they will ask, just they will change the what? They will change the values. Everything will remain same. They will ask from here only. Okay sir, whatever you will say sir, we will follow sir. We all are your good students sir. Thank you sir. Okay. So okay, next we will see this, the standard deviation calculated. Yes, right here. So standard deviation calculated from a set of 32 observation is 5. Okay, question number 7. Okay, question number 7. What they have said? They have said the standard deviation calculated from a set of 32 observation is 5. So set of 32 observations, n is 32 and standard deviation is, yes, standard deviation is 5. if the sum of observation is 80, sum of observation guys what this, right? Yes, sum of x means what? Observation. So sum of, this is sum of x means observation. The sum of observation is 80. What is the sum of? So sum of square of observation, sum of square of observation. So we have to find this one. We have to find sum of square of observation. So that is very simple. We'll use the standard deviation formula. That is summation of, sorry. Summation of x square by n minus x bar whole square. We have to find this, right? So first of all, we will find the x bar. X bar is what? Yes, x bar is summation of x by n. The summation of x is 80 by n is 32. So x bar is 80 divided by 32, 2.5. Okay, now we'll substitute. Standard deviation is 5 equals square root of this value we have to find, divided by n is 32 minus x bar is 2.5. So 2.5 whole square is 2.5 into 2.5, that is 6.25. Okay, that again we will do the same thing. What? Yeah, this square root will go that side, so it will become square. So 5 square equals summation of x square by 32 minus 6.25. So 5 square is what? Yes, 25. And see guys, again no one will do the mistake. Don't send the 32 here and multiply. No. First we will send this, minus will go that side, will become plus. 6.25 equals summation of x square by 32. Now we will do 25 plus 6.25, 31.25. So 31.25 equals summation of x square by 32. Now we will send the 32 this side, it will multiply. 31.25 into 32, we will get 1000. So sum of square of the observation is 1000. So we'll see the answer. Yes, options are 1000, answers are 1000. Ashte guru ashte. Okay, the last question for question number 8. From this question only they will ask guys, just they will change the values, the patterns and all will remain same. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, see this. The mean and standard deviation calculated from 20 observations. Okay, n is 20. So what they said, mean and standard deviation are 15 and 10. So mean is 15, standard deviation is 10. Mean is 15, standard deviation is 10. Mean is 15, standard deviation is 10. They said if an additional observation 5 left out, means guys one observation is left out. So what they did is now included in the calculation. Find the correct mean and standard deviation. Means what is happening here, nothing wrong. Here they have just left a one observation. They have left the one observation and that one observation value is 5. What they said, see, if an additional observation 5 left out, means one observation which is 5, so that is left out. So one observation, this is 5 is left out, now it is being added. So now we have to find the new mean, means correct mean and correct standard deviation. Very simple guys, this is a wrong. This is the wrong answer. So see, this is the wrong observation. So what will be the correct observation? Yes, correct observation means one observation is left out. So 20 plus that one is being added. So that is 21. Now again we will find the x bar, right? Correct mean. So for finding the correct mean, what we want? Yes, we want the correct sum of observation and correct number of observations. So number of observation is here. So what we have to find? We have to find the correct sum of observations. So for finding the correct sum of observation, what we will find? Yes, first of all, we will find the wrong sum of observation. So wrong sum of observation means from wrong mean. See, as I have said you in the previous, everything will remain same. 15 equals n is 20. The 20 will go here, multiply. So wrong sum of observation is 300. Wrong sum of observation is 300. Then after that, one observation is left whose value is 5, that is being added. So one observation is adding, so its value is 5. Okay, wait. This is the wrong, right? This is the wrong. Now we have to find the correct. Correct means from wrong we are adding the one which is left out. So 305. Now we'll find the correct mean. Correct mean is correctest divided by correct. 305 divided by 21. So 305 divided by 21. Yeah, 14.52. Okay, same method, right? Next we have to find the standard deviation. Fine, so first of all we will take the wrong standard deviation, and from that we will find this wrong summation of x square. Okay, we will take all wrong values. So wrong standard deviation is how much? 15. Sorry, 10. Wrong standard deviation is 10 equals square root of, so this we have to find. This is wrong in 20 minus wrong x bar is 15. 15 square is 225. What we will do? Very good. We will send this square root to this side. It will become square. So 10 square is 100. 100 equals summation of x square divided by 20 minus 225. Yes, what I said, this minus 225 will go that side, will become plus. So 100 plus 225, 325 equals summation of x square w by 20. Now this 20 will multiply. So you will get summation of wrong x square is 325 into 20, 6500. Now we have to find the correct. So for finding the correct, what we will write the wrong, and in this we should not have to remove anything. We have to add a one observation which is 5. So this is a square, so it will become 5 square. So 25. So 6525. Now we'll find the correct standard deviation. Correct standard deviation is this. Correct by n correct minus x bar correct square. So summation of x is 6525 divided by correct n is 21. So it will be 310.71 minus correct x bar. Correct x bar is 14.52. Sorry. 14.52 into 14.52. 210.83 square root. So correct standard deviation is 310.71 minus 210.83. Whatever you will get, square root 9.99. That is the answer, guys. This is very important, very important. Every year they are asking a one question from this. Every year 110% chance is that they will ask. Okay, so this is the done. I know we have did only 8 sums. That's fine. Okay, practice this type of sums. Okay, how? Just change, they will change the values, process will remain same. Okay, So in one we have seen that one wrong is there, so we have to remove the wrong, so minus the wrong value and we have to add the correct value. Second is what? Second is just they have missed out one value, so they are just adding that one value. So every time from the wrong we will add that one value, we are not removing anything, right? Because they have just missed out, so they have to add it. Okay, so this is for the standard deviation, very easy, because these type of questions only will ask. We are not going to do any extra questions and all just for the sake of increasing the question number. No, just we will do the exactly directly to the point. So they will give, means you will get directly marks. Okay. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, we'll meet in the next video, so take care.